magtatanong.
Okay.
Pwede?
Depende. Game.
Ba't di mo ako inintay?
Hindi ko naman
Bakit?
Hindi ko naman kasi alam na darating ka. Kung alam ko lang, dapat hindi na ako nag-adventure. How is it going and how do people deal with changes?
You simply adapt. The only thing permanent in this world is change. Why did you run? The beauty queen answer would be, because I want to make a difference. I couldn't stomach that answer, so I answered truthfully. My answer was, is, and will always be, because I want to be remembered. And this is the only thing I know by which I could be remembered. So although it seemed that I was not affected and only you were the one who was affected, it's something that a couple should actually
Nakita kita, umiyak ka eh. Kala mo tulog
Work
ako
at
eh.
and do.
Magbaba ako. Super bloodshot yung mata niya. But, you know, I really appreciate though that the way you handled it because it was my first time and he's experienced in the past things. So I really appreciate that. So I just want to say thank you so much.
Parang iba yung sinasabi mo sa akin noon nung ginagawa ko yun.
Siyempre, iba yung pinagdadaanan ko. Hindi ko masyado na sum up lahat-lahat. But it was really a big help that you really have somebody that's there for you.
At the end of the day, it's not about settling. It's about actually finding the one you love and the one who loves you. Nobody really settles, and nobody should settle. It's unfair both on your part and on the other person's part.